This is South American countries. Let's memorize the countries. At first, this country is Chile, then Argentina, Chile, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, Peru. Chile, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, Peru. Then Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela. Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela. Start from the first. Chile, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia. Chile, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela. Then Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana, and the largest countries, Brazil. And I will say again, Chile, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Chile, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana, Brazil. Please tell with me. Chile, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana, and Brazil.